Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Before starting with the video, I request you, those who are watching this video, to subscribe this channel and to support this channel. Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach or else explain one such tool that gives lot of content for your research as well as for thesis writing, manuscript writing, or else to get the data. Okay, but just by giving the keyword or else the DOI number or else the journal article a title, you can get the data from this AI tool. Okay, let's get started with the AI tool. So when you go to Google, you just have to type Litmaps AI. So when you type Litmaps AI, the first option you are going to get. So you are going to get so many options, but you click it on Litmaps AI. Okay, when you click it on that, you will get this window, and here you can see that Litmaps is for researcher discover relevant papers and track scientific literature with easy, as well as you can map and explore the research articles. Okay, when you get this window, you click it on the first link. You go to first link and you will get this window. So here you can see that the options are search by keyword, author, DOI, PubMed ID, or else there are so many options you can get the literature. So before starting with this AI tool, let's see the pricing. So here you can see the Litmaps pricing, because some uh, tools are free version available, for some tools free versions are not available. That's why let's see first what is the pricing. So here you can see that there are free versions as well as the pro version is available. So for the in the pre version, you can see that basic search up to 20 inputs, 2 lit maps and 100 article per map, that is for the free version. And when you go with the pro version, so there will be advanced search, unlimited inputs you can give, and unlimited articles and unlimited lit maps you can get it, but you have to pay $10 per month. Okay, so first what I suggest is that first you go with the free version. Then if you feel that you have to want to go with the pro version, then only you can go with this option. So then let's get started with the free version. Okay, just you have to go with the sign up. I think I have signed up, so that's why it is directly taking me to the window. Okay, so when you click it on the sign up option, if you are signing in for the first time, you have to enter through your login ID. Since I have already registered to this application, it has directly got this window. So when you click it on this, you will get this like find the and understand the research better. So search using keywords, titles, authors, DOI. So first let me search by using a keyword like natural fibers. So as you can see here, I'm just giving the keyword natural fibers, and when you click it on the search option, so it will take few seconds to get the papers. As you can see here, you can get lot of paper, a review on natural fibers. So like this you will get so many papers based on the keywords you have given. So when you click on any one article, here you can see that here you can see that the content overview it is giving. So it is giving the content overview, and when you click it on the title of the article, it will take you to the complete like source of the article. So if you want, you can go with that. Otherwise you can just get the summary of the article, and through the summary also you can go with that. Okay, then here you can see that another paper I'm searching. Here you can see that so many articles that are present. So here also it is giving the DOI number, author's name and summary of the paper. Okay, how many citations it has got. And here you can see that there is option, you can get the PDF file of this article as well as you can go with the cite option. So when you click it on the PDF option, so it will go out of the source and you will get the complete, immediately you will get the downloaded version of the paper. Okay, and when you go with the second option called cite, so when you click it on the cite option, it will give you the citations also. You just have to copy and you can paste it, no need to type and all. So in the citations you can see here it will mention the author's names and the title of the paper as well as the DOI number also it is going to represent. So this is for citation option. Then you can go with the article version also. Then otherwise you majorly you go with the PDF version, then citation version. So like that it is going to give you the options. Then you can go here that, so let's go back to the previous window so that I want to search through the other option. So here you can see that earlier I have given just keyword, then I'll give you the title. Okay, let's get started with one title. So here I'm giving one simple example or as the simple title for the search. So I have given one title. So based on the title also you will get the details. So it will take few seconds. So like this it will give you the mm, more number of papers. Let's say in the free version, as like I told, up to 20 papers you will get. And this is the lit map. For example, what is the lit map in the sense? Select an article. So here when you select the article, so when you click on the add to lit map, so you go to lit map. When you go to lit map, here you can see that, so it will give you the complete paper. Okay, this is the one option that you are going to get it from the Litmaps. Okay, next is that let's try with the author name. For example, I'll give Ramesh M, because I know when the natural fiber the Ramesh M is working on this field, so I'm just giving Ramesh M. So the name Ramesh M, that is I'm searching through the name. So here you can see that whatever the articles that I've got here, so that is the author is Ramesh. So whatever, for example, if you want to search the article based on the author name also, that also you will get it in the PDF version as well as you can get the citation also. Like reference, you just have to copy and paste it. Okay, that is the another option in the Litmap. Okay, next one is based on the DOI number. So let me check with the DOI number. So for that I'll go with the one DOI number. I'm just going with the paper and I'm just copying the DOI number of that article. Okay, let me check whether I'll get the full paper or not. Okay, so I'm just entering here the DOI number, then search. So here you can see that based on the DOI number, whatever I have given, it is giving you the paper. So this is the paper actually. The DOI number is also same and the title is also same, and you can get the PDF as well as you can go with the references also. Okay, this is the one tool that you can use it for your literature review. And the thing is that you will get lot of paper within a seconds. You can get a lot of paper. Either if you don't know the DOI number, you can go with the keyword. If you don't know the keyword, then you can go with the author name or is the title. So like that 3 to 4 options are available. So with the help of this option you can get the a lot of paper in 5 to 6 seconds, and it will give you the summary of the articles also, and the complete PDF file also get, as well as the reference also it will give. So definitely you can reduce the time in reading the paper manually and writing the references, getting the summary. So definitely you can save lot of time. So this is the video all about the Litmaps. So if you like this video, please comment in which tool you want me to make a video, as well as like it and share it with researchers, faculties, or as the teachers. Let them also go through this AI tool and get benefited. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.